Hello and welcome to Waltz hobby lesson. Here we will explore basic figures and interesting developments. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Romance and Violetta. So today we will look at hesitation change, which is basic figure, and we will connect to natural spin turn. So we will start with natural spin turn. I show you last part of spin turn, and then we continue with hesitation ending. Now let's look at Romance and Violetta. They will show us basic hesitation change. Preparation step, then natural turn, 3 steps of natural turn, and then hesitation itself. Let's look again. So we see preparation step and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now we will dance natural spin turn and continue with hesitation ending, which is last 2 steps of hesitation change. So preparation step, then natural spin turn, overturned, and continue with hesitation ending. Very good. Let's look from opposite angle. Preparation step, then natural spin turn, overturn, and hesitation ending. And now let's look in details at hesitation change ending. Man steps, toe, heel, heel, inside edge of foot, whole foot, inside edge of left toe. This was footwork. Let's look again. So go back, draw heel, inside edge of foot, whole foot, and then inside edge of toe, left foot. And now again, let's look at our routine. So we start with preparation step, then natural spin turn, overturned, and then hesitation ending, and we follow with first 3 steps of reverse turn. Very good. And from opposite angle, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at very interesting next figure, which is simplest line figure, Oversway. So man starts back, sway, then oversway with rotation, and then hover to promenade position. Very good. Let's look from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now we will add following figure from promenade position, which is chasse from promenade position. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Very good. Let's look again. and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Very good, and now let's put together our today's choreography. So we start with preparation step, then natural spin turn over turn, hesitation ending, reverse turn, and oversway with hover to promenade position and chasse from promenade position. Let's look again, this time with teaching count. One, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. And now to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you in the next dance videos.